Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy and sell on Kucoin. Basically, buying and selling is spot trading. It's what we call spot trading on Kucoin. So in order to spot trade, you're going to need an account on Kucoin. And by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to win 3,200 USDT worth of trading bonuses and welcome gifts once you use our link to register and then verify your account. So now once you've done that, once you've gotten your account verified and you've logged in, your first step is heading over to the markets, which is at the bottom tab of the screen. So once here, you can take a look at what is trending, what are your favorites, the pairs that are increasing and the pairs that are losing, all the good stuff. And once you've taken note of the tokens you'd like to use or the pairs you'd like to trade, you head back to the home section, click on this deposit icon here and simply deposit USDT. So for this video, I'm going to be using USDT as a trading pair. So once you've selected any of these networks to deposit your USDT in, your next step would then be to head over to the trading icon, which is at the bottom of the screen here. So now click on this trading icon. And once you've clicked on this trading icon, at the top of the screen, we have cross margin, we have grid, we have fiat, and we have convert. Now select spot trading, and the tokens we're trading today are going to be PEEP USDT. So in order to do that, click on PEEP USDT and search for PEPE. Click on PEEP USDT. Now once you selected PEEP USDT, all you need to do is, since we're going to be buying some of the PEEP token with our USDT, you need to make sure you have USDT on your wallet, hence the deposit options. So once you've deposited, once you've gotten yourself some USDT, your next step then would be to click on the assets menu. And once at the assets menu, you'll be dropped at the overview. And once you're at overview, the accounts you are going to be using are your funding and your trading mostly, seeing as we have some tokens here in funding and we have some in trading. So now in order to move your tokens to the spot trading menu, that's where you trade your tokens, you click on this transfer and select USDT and click on this USDT. And now we can move from our funding wallet over to our trading wallet by simply entering an amount we would like to use to trade. Or we could move from our trading wallet to our funding wallet if we want to withdraw. That's it. So once you've gotten your USDT at the spot menu, once you've gotten your USDT on your trading account, your next step then would be to select market, which is basically market order. And this gives us the entrance into the market at the best possible price, which is here. That's this token, this numbers here, this 0.000196. That's the price of the market currently. So by simply entering an amount of USDT we would like to use, which is 25%, 0.36, in order to buy the PEEP, all you need to do now is simply click on buy. And once you've selected buy and you've entered your trading password, the order has been placed. And if you were to reload, you would find that the order has been successfully finished. That's because once you select market order, you're going to be buying the market instantly. You're going to be buying from the market instantly using your trading pair, which is the USDT. So if you were to enter the market now, you would buy a token or you would buy the PEEP on your wallet. So now, in order to check what you've successfully purchased, head over to the assets menu, scroll to trading, reload, and now you'd notice that we've gotten some PEEP here. That's click on this PEEP. And now you can look at the PEEP we just received just now, a few minutes ago. Just now, here it is, this PEEP. This is what we just received for the transaction. And now that is buying. That's how you can buy. And this is your order history here. This is the order tab. You can take a look at your available funds. You can take a look at the order history, and then you can take a look at your open orders. Open orders are trades who are continuous. That's trade that just continues. So now your next step in order to sell is to simply scroll and click on this sell. And now we're going to be using our available PEEP to buy USDT. So click on 100% or click on as many or whatever you'd like to use to sell. and select market order. Click on I understand, click on sell. And by clicking on sell, we're going to be selling at the best possible price the market has to offer us, which is here, and we're going to be selling instantaneously. So click on sell. Okay. So let's use 50%. Click on sell. Enter your funding password or your trading password, and the order has been placed. Now, if you head over to order history, you can take a look at the PIP USDT we just sold. And if you head over to your assets menu and reload, here we go. Click on USDT and you can look at the amount we just received just now. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can buy or sell on Kucoin, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.